Hi, this video is the RF hair transplant restoration surgery result. A year follow-up using the FUE method, and this client now his hair looked like Adam Levine. This is what he looked like before. His hairline is a little bit higher, and this is the photo he sent a year later. A completely different guy. That's close up. You see how nice volume of hairline and the arch of his hairline. Left hand side, receding hairline, rebuilt his hairline with it. I'm telling you, he looked like Morrissey or Adam Levine, but excellent. It looked completely changed. Very natural hairline. That's brief on top view. That's where his hairline is right now. Very natural. And again, this is before. And a year later, and allowing him to wear nice hairline, and now he's wearing hair up Adam Levine or Morrissey style. Look at that. That's before.